video I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how I'm going to tie-dye bleach this sweatshirt. So this is a cute little oversized sweatshirt. I'll show you how it fits. Okay, so you can see it's a little oversized, like nice, big, roomy, and comfy. It's a men's sweatshirt from Amazon. It was $8, and this is a size large for reference. Plenty oversized, and it's super thin and super soft. So like, I'm actually thrilled with the quality of it. I personally think that this is like the ideal material for an oversized baggy sweatshirt. So yeah, I definitely recommend this sweatshirt, and they had a lot of colors to choose from. Today I'm going to be tie-dyeing this with bleach. So I'm just like a little bit nervous because bleach intimidates me, but it is so cool, and like you really can't go wrong because there's just so many different fun things that can come from it. In fact, I got my kids a bunch of shirts, not a bunch, I got each of my kids a shirt in their favorite color, also from Amazon, a $6 shirt. I will actually probably do another video of that if you guys want to see it, but the kids are really excited. I got them their favorite color and we're gonna bleach it. Every color bleaches to like a different shade. So like one of my sons, his favorite color is green, but when you add the bleach, it's gonna turn into like a soft green blue. It's gonna be really cool. I love the way that black bleaches, especially for that Urban Outfitters tie-dye feel that you see all around. The other thing I'm excited about is I do have some clothes that have been like stained or ruined from bleach that I just don't wear anymore because they're ruined, but if I just tie-dye them, then it makes the whole look come together. So I might try that on a few of my shirts too, especially because some of them were like my favorite shirts that I obviously wore a ton and then I ruined and stopped wearing. So anyways, this is gonna be really easy, like really easy. I'm choosing to do it in a bathroom so that I can rinse it out and then I can just wash out the bathtub and not have too much of a mess, but some people like to do it outside. And like I said, I just have this $8 sweatshirt from Amazon, but you can use something you already have in your closet, an older shirt or something you love and you want it to be tie-dyed. You can also just grab some stuff from Walmart. They have pretty decent sets there. And then I'm choosing to use just Clorox bleach, liquid bleach. I've seen people using other things like toilet bowl cleaner, but I kind of want the splashing of the liquid bleach. However, this does say splashless, so we'll see how that goes, but I think it's going to be exactly what I need. So let's just get started and I will show you how we're going to do this. I'm just going to throw this in, and there's obviously a lot of ways to tie-dye, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of bunch it and then twist it just a little bit in the middle. And like I said, it's really hard to do this wrong, but I'm just going to kind of bunch it up so that different parts of the material get hit with the bleach. And I'm going to bleach one side, and then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to do the other side. Soak for just a minute until like the bleach is absorbed into the clothes, and then I'm gonna flip the sweatshirt upside down and do the other side. You can see if you look closely where some of the bleach is already starting to turn, and so you get this kind of like orange, red, brown color coming through. I'm really excited about that. Okay, so you can see the colors coming out, and it's actually like coming down the drain. So I'm gonna flip this over and do the other side. Again, not really, some of it went through. Ooh, that looks good. I don't know if you can tell on the camera. Okay, so some of it did go through, so I only have to do a little bit on the back side because I went heavy, I guess, on the first one. Okay, so it's time to rinse it out, and I think it turned out so good. You'll see it more after I wash it, how the bleach reacted to it, but I think it turned out really good. Can you tell in the camera? So it'll continue to develop after I wash it. So I'm going to turn the water on and just rinse it out. I grabbed some grocery bags so that I could carry it to my laundry machine without dripping any bleach water. And so basically I'm gonna put this in my laundry machine alone by itself so I don't get bleach on anything else. And I'm just gonna wash it with some laundry detergent and then I will show you guys the final result. So I wanted to share the final results really quick. I am sorry, it's really late and I'm really tired. It's been a day and I still have to get all my kids in bed. But I really, really like it. If I could do anything, I would say that I would go less heavy on the bleach, but I do really like it. Like, I thought the colors turned out really, really cool. I thought the design was really cool. So again, all I had to do was just like bunch it up, but of course you can like put rubber bands on it, twist it, or whatever you want to do. But I was just kind of going for a really messy bleach look. But I don't know, what do you guys think? The only thing I think is that maybe it shrunk in the dryer a little bit. It doesn't seem as oversized as it was, but it still is pretty oversized. And I thought it would be really cute actually to like cut the bottom off and crop it or do all kinds of things. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's not that hard to do, but it is really fun. And the kids are really excited. When they saw mine, they're really excited to do theirs. So maybe I'll film that one also so you can see kind of how different colors turn out. But thank you guys so much for watching and have a good night. Bye.